But the identity of the author was usually the last thing that would be forgotten. And within living memory of when the Gospels were written, and living memory is the period in oral historiography that's considered the most reliable. So it's within a couple generations, within like 60 to 80 years, when eyewitnesses are alive, or those who knew eyewitnesses are alive. Well, within that period of living memory, we have reports of who wrote the Gospel of Mark. And most scholars think, well, nobody's going to make up a non-apostle. Nobody's going to make up a secondary character as the author of a gospel. So most scholars think, actually, it probably was Mark. Now, where the debate comes in is which Mark. Mark was one of the most common names in the Roman world for Roman citizens. However, the author is Jewish, and there's some debate about that, but there's a fair consensus that the author is Jewish. That's a whole other question. The author also knows Jerusalem and its environs pretty well. Doesn't seem to know exactly how to get from place to place in Galilee, but that's not surprising because a lot of Jerusalemites had never been to Galilee. And